GcExcel is a feature-rich Excel document API based on VSTO. The library is fast, efficient, and lightweight. GcExcel for Java includes all the features that are supported in the .NET version. This video walks through how to add a pivot table using the GcExcel API. This data displays revenue from selling produce in different countries. The data is not arranged by country, and the types of produce varies in order. We'll want to gather the total amount earned from the types of produce and filter it by country using a pivot table. To create a pivot table in GcExcel, initialize the workbook. Add data and assign it to a range in the worksheet. Add a pivot table and assign the range of data. Set the location of the pivot table. Let's set up the pivot table fields. Assign the respective pivot table fields to the worksheet columns. We'll need to calculate the total amount of money earned by row, so your row field will be a category. We'll need the figures for each product in the category. Set the column field to the product. Next, we'll want the total and the amount, so set the data field to amount. If you want to see the totals by country, set the page field of the pivot table to country. Save the workbook to see the result. The pivot table displays the correct results.